How to turn your dreams into reality. Achieving your dreams involves a combination of clear goal setting, strategic planning, perseverance, and a positive mindset. Here's a detailed guide to help you turn your dreams into reality. Clarify your vision. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve. Write down your dreams in detail, considering all aspects of your life: career, personal development, relationships, health, and leisure. Spend time each day visualizing your goals as already achieved. Imagine the details, emotions, and satisfaction of your success. Set specific goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. This framework helps you create clear and attainable objectives. Define exactly what you want to achieve, establish criteria to track your progress, ensure your goals are realistic, align your goals with your broader life objectives, and set deadlines to keep yourself accountable. Create an action plan. Divide your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to make them less overwhelming and easier to tackle. Focus on the most critical tasks that will have the most significant impact on achieving your dreams. Establish key milestones to monitor your progress and celebrate achievements along the way. Develop a positive mindset. Cultivate self-confidence and a belief in your ability to achieve your dreams. Maintain a positive attitude even in the face of challenges. Surround yourself with supportive and optimistic people. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your belief in your goals and your ability to achieve them. Take consistent action. Make daily efforts toward your goals, no matter how small. Consistency is key to building momentum and making steady progress. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plans as needed. Learn from setbacks and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. Seek support and resources. Find mentors who can provide guidance, advice, and encouragement. Learn from their experiences and insights. Build a network of supportive individuals who share your aspirations. Collaborate, exchange ideas, and offer mutual support. Invest in acquiring the skills and knowledge necessary to achieve your goals. Take courses, read books, and seek out learning opportunities. Monitor and evaluate progress. Periodically review your goals and progress. Assess what's working and what needs adjustment. Share your goals with a trusted friend, family member, or mentor who can help keep you accountable. Persevere and stay motivated. Stay resilient in the face of challenges. Develop strategies to cope with setbacks and maintain your motivation. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing progress can boost your motivation and morale. Maintain balance. Take care of your physical and mental health. Balance your efforts with rest, relaxation, and self-care. Ensure that pursuing your dreams doesn't come at the expense of other important aspects of your life, such as relationships and personal well-being. Conclusion. Achieving your dreams requires clarity, planning, consistent action, and a positive mindset. By setting specific goals, creating actionable plans, staying adaptable, and persevering through challenges, you can turn your dreams into reality. Remember, the journey to achieving your dreams is as important as the destination. Stay focused, motivated, and enjoy the process of growth and achievement.